So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now if you see Roblox in this list right here, you want to end the task. So for me, I have Roblox right here. I'm going to click on it and then click on End Task. Make sure that Roblox is not running. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in %app data %sign. Click on it. Make sure that you're in app data roaming. Now once we're here, if you see a folder that says kernel on it, KRNL, you want to delete it. So again, if there's a folder that says kernel on it, just delete it. For the next step, you want to click on app data on the top. Now you want to click on local. Now you want to find the Roblox folder. Double click on that. So make sure that you're now in app data local Roblox. Now once we're here, you're going to have a folder called logs. You want to delete this. You can now open up Roblox and this should now fix your problem. Now if that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down till we find Roblox. Once you find Roblox, you want to click on the three dots. Depending on which one you play, either Roblox or Roblox Player, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall Roblox, whether that be Roblox or Roblox Player, whichever one that you're having a problem with. And now you want to reinstall Roblox, either from the Roblox website or from the Microsoft Store. And this should now fix your problem.